Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me, wanted to start drawing 3D, and I made plenty of videos on how to draw in 3D, kind of a poor man's 3D, but it comes out pretty good. I went out and did this one, ran it, sandblasted and got all the burn out, and there's plenty of videos. I started out at like 25 speed, then I think I did 45 speed, 65, and cleaned it up, and then I sandblasted it. And then I sanded it burn off the edge. But you can really see what the 3D is doing. I mean, there's the curve effect from the outside of the star. There's a definite drop and a curve back up, and the same thing on the outer part of the star. So it really does kind of create a 3D effect. And this is what it looks like. And they wanted it to start in drawing and ask for an easy pattern to draw. Probably the easiest one is this one right here. So we're going to take a ellipse, hold down the control button and get a perfect one, and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then we're going to draw a star and hit P, and this is that old adage that it doesn't draw the star in the center of the page because it's weighted, I guess, with Corel. So what you do with a star is make it a 6-sided star, hit P, and then turn it back to a 5-sided star. So you get this effect. Now you're going to want to use the Smart Fill tool to make these different patterns. And we're going to do a little different. We're going to put no fill. And I'm going to take the outline and make a outline. And I'm going to make it a 1-point line in black. So when I fill that in, it makes me a well. I'm going to cursor that over. I'm going to do it for all of them. And then I'm going to take and group these together. Object, Control G or group. Then I'm going to take the star itself and I'm actually going to go down with it. And we're going to leave it black on the outside. And we're going to see which one I have open. So we're going to go to Effects, Contour. We're going to contour to black, so we're going to change this one to a light gray. I'm just double clicking with the right mouse button or left mouse button. I'm going to make it the lightest gray I can possibly make it. And then I canceled that out. Double click on it, make it the light gray. You could use white, but I find gray's better. So now that we got a white star, I'm going to contour to the inside, to the center, 0.001, and it's going to make a bunch of steps. And I'm going to have it in black, and I'm going to hit apply. That's what it did. Now we're going to take our star, but we're going to go from black to that gray. And you see what it did. And then I can nudge it, click off of it, nudge it up and over, and it'll put it back in that star center. So you see what I'm getting. I'm going to go from a light to a deep, so that's getting that well. And then I'm going from a dark to a light, which is going to make a hump. So it really makes the hump in the middle kind of stand out. The main thing you want to do, and I don't know about all lasers engravers, but let's do the one I just did. You want to size it to the size you want to do, and you want to start out small. So with your ratio lock, I would try a 2-inch one. The main thing you want to do now is convert it to a bitmap. And I don't know what this does, but in 3D drawing, it really helps. So see how sharp it is? Let's go to bitmap, convert it to a bitmap, convert it to a grayscale, and it kind of fuzzies it up. I don't know what that does for the 3D effect. I don't have a laser hooked up to this laptop, but you want to run it in 3D mode, which is under advanced mode in your print driver on your Epilogue. And I'm sure all the major brands have a 3D effect, and then just put it in top left corner and go out there and run it. And like I said, you want to, I actually need to do this on another computer that I have a 3D set up to, and I might make a second one on my other laptop. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.